Have you ever gotten stuck and can't get out? Well, I can help. I'm Melody from WTI, and I have the tank. This is a winch from RUGCEL, and it is an incredibly smart buy. You're going to want this as one of your travel essentials on any adventure you go on, because all you need is two things, the tank and a battery to hook it all up. And once you've hooked up your machine or your car or whatever, start rolling it in. The pulling power of this is absolutely awesome. The winch can actually pull up to 4,500 pounds, which is the weight of a small car. It comes with everything you need, including the ropes and shackles and even two remotes, one that's wired and one that's infrared. And everything's all tucked away in this really heavy-duty storage case. With this sturdy compact case and something that's so easy to use, go ahead, get out there on some new adventures. You're going to love this RUGCEL winch, the tank. But that's my point of view.